Speak English every day, even if you are alone, especially if you are alone, because the fastest way to improve your English is to talk to yourself. This podcast is for learners who understand English but hesitate to speak. This is not a lecture. This is a calm, one-person conversation designed to train your mind to think and speak in English naturally. Right now, wherever you are, relax your shoulders. Sit comfortably. Listen carefully. You don't need to repeat loudly unless you want to. Just let the words flow into your mind. English is not a subject. English is a habit, and habits are built through daily actions, not through motivation alone. Many learners wait for confidence. They say, "When I feel confident, I will speak." But confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. The more you speak, the more confident you become. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need advanced vocabulary. You need simple, clear sentences used again and again. Fluency is not about sounding smart. Fluency is about sounding natural. Start with what is happening right now. I am listening to a podcast. I am focusing on the speaker. I want to improve my English. I am calm. I am ready to learn. This is self-talk, this is practice, this is real learning. Most people think learning English means memorizing words, but words without use are useless. A word becomes powerful only when you speak it. When your mouth moves, your brain learns faster. When your brain learns faster, fear becomes smaller. Now imagine your daily routine. Every moment of your day is an English lesson if you allow it to be. You wake up in the morning. I woke up early today. I feel a little tired. I need to get out of bed. Today is a new day. I will try my best today. You go to the bathroom. I am brushing my teeth. The water is cold. I am looking at myself in the mirror. I look sleepy. I need some energy. You are not performing, you are not recording. You are just thinking in English. This removes pressure. Pressure kills progress. Calm practice builds fluency. You get ready for your day. I am wearing my clothes. I am getting ready for work. I have many things to do today. I will manage my time well. When you eat breakfast, I am eating breakfast. The food tastes good. I am hungry. I should eat slowly. I need energy for the day. Notice something important. These sentences are simple, but they are real. Native speakers use simple English all the time. They don't speak like books, they speak like humans. Now start describing your surroundings. The room is quiet. The light is on. My phone is near me. The weather looks nice. I feel comfortable here. This kind of speaking trains your brain to observe and describe. This is the foundation of conversation. Good speakers are good observers. Now ask yourself questions. This is where improvement becomes faster. What am I doing right now? I am practicing English. Why am I learning English? I want to communicate confidently. I want more opportunities. I want to grow. How do I feel about my English? Sometimes I feel nervous. But I am improving. I am not giving up. Asking and answering trains your brain to respond. Conversation is nothing more than questions and answers. When you practice alone, real conversations become easier. Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are necessary. Mistakes mean I am trying. Say this clearly in your mind. I am not afraid of mistakes. I allow myself to learn. Every mistake makes me better. If you stop every time you make a mistake, you will never move forward. Children learn languages fast because they don't fear mistakes. Be like a learner, not like a judge. Speak slowly. There is no race. Speed is not fluency. Clarity is fluency. Slow English with confidence is better than fast English with fear. If you are alone, speak out loud. I am speaking English now. I can hear my voice. My pronunciation will improve. I feel more confident when I speak. If you are in public, speak in your mind. I am waiting for someone. I am standing here. I am checking my phone. Time is passing slowly. Silent practice is still practice, but never stop thinking in English. Now talk about your emotions. This is very important. I feel tired today. I feel a little stressed. I feel hopeful. I feel motivated to learn. Language is emotion. When you connect English with feelings, it becomes natural. You stop translating. You start expressing. Now imagine you are walking outside. I am walking slowly. The air feels fresh. There are people around me. I can hear traffic. I am enjoying this moment. Every action can become a sentence. Every sentence strengthens your English. Now motivate yourself. I am learning step by step. I don't need to be perfect. I need to be consistent. I will practice every day. I believe in myself. 5 minutes like this every day is enough. 10 minutes is powerful. Consistency is the secret, not talent, not intelligence. Consistency. Many people quit because they don't see fast results, but language learning is invisible at first. Improvement happens quietly. One day, suddenly, you realize you are speaking without fear. Let me give you a real example of self-talk. Right now, I am speaking calmly. I am choosing simple words. I want the listener to understand me. I feel confident while speaking. I enjoy this process. You can do this too. You don't need permission to speak English. You don't need approval. You don't need perfect grammar. You need courage and practice. Think about this. If you wait for confidence, you will wait forever. If you speak despite fear, confidence will come. English rewards action. Turn your thoughts into English. Turn your routine into practice. Turn your fear into fuel. Start today, start now. Speak English with yourself. Every day. Everywhere. This is how fluent English